All right, you start out with breadcrumbs. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. In a separate bowl, you want to put buffalo sauce. Don't drop it in. Today I'm going with honey barbecue, sweet with gentle heat, Buffalo Wild Wings. That's the sauce I'm going with today. Along with it, add in 1/4 cup butter, melted. So that was 3/4 cup buffalo sauce and 1/4 cup butter. Now we take 4 cups of cauliflower and coat them. First, we add them to our buffalo sauce. And we coat them. Get them all coated. And next we will bread them. You can do it one by one and bread them and flip them over. Or you do the quick and easy and just dump the bread in with them and mix them up again. Let's try that. Yeah, that'll work. All right, let's get them into the air fryer.